Caleb Maltby, and we are here going to present experiment 2.3. To avoid confusion, I would like to note that I accidentally uploaded 2.2, and I was supposed to do 2.3. So that's there if you'd like to watch it, but my assignment was 2.3. So experiment 2.3 deals with the effect of air resistance on falling objects. So here I have two helpers, Katie and Morgan, and we are going to drop a few pieces of paper at the same time to see which one falls first. Now, what you need for this experiment, if you're going to perform it at home, is one, safety goggles, so that way those falling pieces of paper don't hit your eyes, and a large book. Here we have Exploring Physical Science Through Creation. That's another Apollo Geo textbook. And then 4 small pieces of paper. Now, it says roughly 10 by 10 centimeters. And we have exactly 10 by 10 centimeters. This will work if they're different sizes. The main thing is that they must be the exact same size. So, we are going to cut our first, or fold our first piece of paper, and it's going to look like this. What I did was I folded it once, and I folded it twice, so now it is about 1/4 the size of the others. The second one I crumbled into a little ball. Now, what we need to do, we have 2 that are the exact same. One we will discard for now, we're going to come back to it later. So, we have the other 3 on the book, and we're going to take the book, hold it in the air. Now, Morgan is going to drop it on my count. 3, 2, 1. Now, as we can see, there wasn't much variation in that. Let's try that from a higher distance, Morgan. Okay, Morgan, stand up. Okay, now extend your arm outward as far as you can. Now, higher. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, as you can see, there was not much change between the different pieces of paper. They all fell at pretty much the same speed. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take one piece of paper that is crumbled up into a ball, and then one piece of paper that we haven't changed at all. So, Katie's going to hold the flat piece of paper. She's going to hold it parallel to the ground like that. Go in there, make it a little bit higher. Okay, right like there. Make sure they're the exact same distance from the ground. And then, on my count, they're going to drop them. 3, 2, 1. As you can see, the crumbled up ball hit the ground much faster than the other did. But they are the exact same size. Okay, now we're going to take the folded one and another unmodified one. And we're going to try the same experiment. Okay. Fold them to the same height. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's try that again. That wasn't as it kind of bounced a little bit. Okay. 3. Ready? 3, 2, 1. As you can see, this one, the folded one, hit the ground not as fast as the crumbled up ball, but it was faster than the unmodified one. Now we're going to try the crumbled up ball and the folded one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's try that again.
You're not doing it at the same time.
3, 2, 1.
Oh man, you guys.
I will do this at the exact same time. 3, 2, 1. The crumbled up ball hit the ground before the folded piece of paper did.
Slightly before.
Slightly. Now remember, these are all the exact same size and weight. Now, you think you can drop these at the exact same time? Now, Katie, yours is going to be different than Morgan's. Yours is going to be vertical to the ground. Morgan's is going to be parallel with the ground. And we're going to see which one hits first. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. That was pretty good. Let's try this again. I'm going to try this by myself, and maybe y'all can do it again if this doesn't work. Ready? 3, 2, 1. The air caught this one, so they both did drift to the ground using air resistance. This experiment is similar to the one that Galileo did hundreds of years ago. It's from the top of the Tower of Pisa. As you can see, weight does not actually affect how fast the ball or the piece of paper drops, and that it's air resistance. This one falls slowly to the ground when this one falls like a rock. So, thank you to my very helpful assistants, Katie and Morgan, and to the video recorder, Rachel. And thank you, and I will see you tomorrow in class.